everyone, welcome to TANA.ai. This AI tool will allow us to work with a virtual co-worker. It has an editor and can do voice transcriptions. We can use voice commands and chat with our notes, okay? And of course, take notes. It's also an organizational tool for various purposes, alright? Whether it's for management or other tasks. So let's take a quick look at the pricing, okay? Look, these are the powerful notes where AI helps you stay on top. The monthly plan starts at $10 with ChatGPT integration, alright? Unlimited custom super tags, nodes, workspace, and template. 3 GB storage, 5 GB max file size. The Pro plan has 5,000 credits. But what are these credits for? We get 400 meeting minutes, 50 AI images, 225 blog posts, and 425 minutes of voice transcription. That's limited. Let's check out some TANA AI reviews, see if there are any. Well, as I mentioned, look here, we've got a 4.9 rating. Yes indeed, 4.9 stars from 37 reviews. I've tried many tools, starting with Evernote, actively trying to store my knowledge and boost productivity until I found TANA. TANA is incredible, right? One of the best tools for my daily routine. TANA is a great app that helps me organize my life. It's really a useful tool if you give it a chance. Ultimately, it's a tool for taking notes and managing tasks. I'm confident it's a very effective tool. So there you have it. It's available for Mac and I believe for Windows too. Check it out.